Greeting my fellow foolish mortal. My name is Derek Holstein here with the Scare Factor over at Team Hell Hounds. I take over the Wisconsin area here, and today we are here at Warriors Haunted Asylum behind me. This haunt is really cool. They're going on their 10th year here. They're always switching stuff up every single year. This is a really fun haunt. It's got a lot of tricks up its sleeves. Without further ado, let's go inside and get some scares.
Are we ready? Keep going and do not stop. Ah!
What are you doing in my room? Help me! Help me! Ah! Help! Play with me! Play with me! Please! They're gonna get you! They're gonna get you!
Oh my goodness.
Ah!
You got the buzz.
Never return.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh,
Got you.
baby.
Very quiet.
Peekaboo!
Oh my
I win. My horn's not working. Are you guys coming for my party?
We told you we were gonna come
We'll
back.
be back.
Oh, well, you guys can have some cake with me, and we can play my favorite party game, Hide the Bodies.
Oh, how do you play that?
Well,
How many bodies do we have to hide?
as many as we can find.
All right, we'll
That's what
let.
happened to my last friend I played with.
Oh my goodness.
We'll let you know how many we find. We'll bring them back to you.
I'll see
Found
you!
Every time. Oh,
You
it's
can smell.
stinky in here. What did you do?
You ruined
Made
the
a
bathroom.
mess. Okay, I won't say anything. Going down to the basement.
We gotta see
Where are
what's
you
down
going?
here.
We gotta find bodies for the lady.
There might be some down here.
What are you doing down here?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Will you please help me? Please! Anyone!
Don't worry about this one. I got it under control. Shut up! Shut up! Sit.
Have you ever, hear me out, have you ever wondered what it sounds like to have your brain go pop?
No.
We're gonna find out.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2. I'm just playing with you. Did you think I was gonna hurt you?
No.
You're wrong. Huh. Clearly there's no brain to pop.
No, it's
Who it is? It's our friend.
Friends! Fresh victims! Get out of my yard!
We gotta go.
Stay out! Gonna skin you next time! You look extra tasty. Join me for dinner.
what are we having?
It tastes really good!
It does.
You better not touch my things, though. I think you should stay.
We got cool stuff though.
Where's my dinner?
I don't know, dude
might-
out there said there was dinner.
I got some leftover dog. Fresh meat goes in here. You want to hop in, darling?
All right, we'll see you later.
You go on ahead and leave her. She'll catch up.
deck. Oh, you got an axe this time.
All right, thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys check out our other Wisconsin hunt that we did in a previous video, or stay tuned for more. If you guys have not already, make sure you guys come take a look at Warriors Haunted Asylum. Until then, stay spooky.